What's up, you guys? Chad here, back at it with another video. Today I'm going to go over how you guys can make money on YouTube and how to build a personal brand. So basically, personal branding, examples of personal branding are people like Tai Lopez, Tanner Fox. Who are some other ones? Lewis House. There's a lot of people doing personal branding, especially the smart people. I think it's a great opportunity for people that are just starting out and that want to are thinking about the long-term gain of building a business. It's certainly not short-term money, but here it is, guys. This is how you basically make money if you guys want to do personal branding. So, for example, things such as groups. So let's just say you have a Facebook group and charge $30 a month. And basically, you can teach them, if you're in the teaching industry, you can basically teach them whatever your channel is about. So if it's about entrepreneurship, making money online, building a business, if it's makeup, if it's, selling Star Wars on Shopify stores, or if it is, selling courses based on your knowledge. So basically, $47 a month, let's just say, is, let's just say you had, 300 subscribers. Let's just say 30 of those people, okay, which is roughly 10%. Let's just say 10% buy. So that's let's just say 30 times. Let's just say $47 a month. $47 a month. That's $1,400 a month. That's basically a full-time income for people that work full-time and get paid minimum wage. If you have also heftier goals, obviously, as your subs increase on YouTube or Instagram, obviously your income's going to go up. So, let's just say $47 a month. That's roughly $47 a month times, let's just say your big goal is about, 250 people. Assuming that you have, you're good at selling, things of that nature, and you have an actual skill that people can, that want to learn from you. So basically, let's just do that. Let's do 47 times 250. That's roughly 12 grand a month. With, let's just say, 12 grand a month after taxes is roughly maybe $7,500. That's $7,500 a month with only having 250 people paying you monthly, right? A lot of those people are going to fall off. Most people probably stay about 2 or 3 months. But as new people come onto your channel, obviously they're going to get on the bandwagon. They're going to learn from you if you have interesting content and you have a skill that you can teach people. Another thing is obviously, courses. Okay? So let's just say courses. If you want to start out, obviously, selling big courses that are high ticket price, you better make sure that you do have, sales skills to back you up and things of that nature. Because selling is a huge thing when it comes to, internet marketing or just business in general. So let's just say you wanted to start off with a $197 course, which is probably as low as I would go. That's basically the starting point with courses, because when you run ads, specifically the advantages of YouTube is you can actually get a lot cheaper advertisements. But let's just say, including ads, obviously, it's just better. I'll show you guys in another video with funnels and things of that nature that selling high-ticket items is the way that you can earn a profit while collecting emails. So back to YouTube. If you had a course, let's just say $197. Okay, you're teaching, like a Shopify store, things of that nature. Things that, Alex Becker does. I really like what he does. $197 times, let's just say 15 people per month. This is basically with small channels. So obviously this number can obviously go to 100, 150, 200, but 15 What's that? 3,000? 3,500? 197 times 15 people. Right, that's about $3,000 a month extra, right? If you have a course. And don't get me wrong, courses aren't that hard to build. You can use things such as Teachable, or just, code one yourself pretty easily. And there you go, man. Right there, with a small channel, you're at roughly $10,000 per month. Net. Right? Net. Another thing, when you get into the high ticket stuff, right? The master classes, obviously, $9.97, $4.97 to $9.97 ticket price. So if you were gonna sell something like that, right? The higher ticket, the more you sell your course for, the more money you're obviously gonna make. It sounds like a mental sense, but here's the thing. All you have to do is sell 10 instead of selling getting 250 people plus that 15 on these front end offers. All you need is 10 to make the equivalent amount of money as your two first products. So if you're going to only sell 10, you'd make 10,000, right? That's why I definitely recommend you guys sell high ticket offers. But like for a bigger example here, the opportunities in YouTube are absolutely ridiculous, right? So let's just say, for example, these are obviously low numbers, but if you have big goals, right? Numbers like over the $10,000 mark, even like the $20,000 mark, are absolutely in reach when you have a personal brand and people come back because they like you, right? You offer them extreme value. You help them make money. You help them build a business, right? It's basically the new education. People don't need books to learn. I think actually taking action and building a YouTube channel is a great way to make money if as a beginner and also as an advanced business owner. If you're not already on YouTube, yeah, you're losing out. So let's just say for YouTube, right? So let's just say roughly, maybe the average person has maybe, let's just even say 30,000 subs, right? 30,000 subs. If you have 30,000 subs, 30K subs, and 1% bought, right? Your course for the whole entire year. It's usually about 1 to 4%, but let's just say 1% bought, which is 300. 300 times your, let's just say even a $4.97. A more reasonable price. I think these $9.97 courses are a little bit pricey, but if you can offer a lot, then obviously you can go down that route. If you're targeting specific people that have that money. But let's just say $4.97. I think that's a great price for especially students, people that want to maybe build a business part-time while they're in school or working. 300 times 30,000, that's 15K. That's 15K per month, right? Right there. Plus, if you had another course and you had 300 people buy at, let's just say, $6.97, right? Let's just say this course was maybe you were really good at Facebook ads, social media. That could be one course. Another course could basically mean if you're doing internet marketing, if you could also do, drop shipping if you've done that before. So, let's just even add, the numbers don't really matter. They're all hypothetical. Let's just say, that's 25K. This is all from your YouTube. If you actually knew how to run ads on Facebook and to new lookalike audiences, these numbers can double, triple, 5x, right? If you actually know what you're doing and learn, right? A lot of you guys are scared to jump in the game and to build a business. All it is consistency and the ability to problem solve, right? So this is roughly $40,000. Fairly easy. 300 people if you had 30,000 and growing subs. That's absolutely doable in this industry. You know, also, like, I'm gonna go over other videos like email marketing. But let's just say you had an email list, right? Object collecting, I definitely recommend that if you're doing YouTube. If you had an email list, right, and you want to sell somebody that's more experienced with selling and has more knowledge than you, and you believe in their product just as much as they do, and you were to sell, let's just say you had 10,000 people on your email list, right? Or you wanted to forward it to your viewers on specific channels, right? Let's just say you had roughly that month, in just 1 month, we're going to talk about 1 month alone. These are yearly numbers or so. It just really depends. But let's just say you had in 1 month, let's just say 30 people buy. That's $30,000 in just 1 month. This is the power of YouTube, and I definitely recommend you guys get on the train. Use social media such as Instagram, things of that nature, to grow your YouTube and to build a brand. If it's makeup, if it's you know, a vlog and you want to sell t-shirts, anything of that nature is a great way to start your entrepreneur path and to make money online, because anything's possible if you put your mind to it and are consistent and disciplined and conscientious about your decisions, right? Alright, hopefully this was extremely helpful, and hopefully this encourages you to start a YouTube, because in the long term it's going to pay off. Even if it takes you 10 years to make X amount of money, like $500,000, it's worth it, because then you have an income for life. And especially if you're younger, I definitely recommend starting, because starting young is obviously always an advantage in the entrepreneur space. So definitely get started. Don't be scared. Get into it, guys. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this help you guys. So subscribe and like this video and support the channel. See ya.